Hello, hello, hello. Glad to have everybody here for the first episode of Retro Reactive. Just want to state that this is a review segment of the Retroactive stream. I will continue to be doing reviews of products, movies, TV shows, movies, websites, streamers, all kinds of different things. I'm going to actually test the product out, give my review, everything, my thoughts, my opinions, the whole 9 yards. And it seems I've got a delay in my stream. I don't know what that is about, but we'll have to figure that out later, guys. If you're seeing a lag in my stream, please ignore it. So anyway, guys, what we're going to be doing tonight, I'm going to show you the product and tell you a few things. For those of you who know me, you all know that I am deaf in my left ear, and I may lose the hearing in my right ear. So much so is because I was a few years back, I was jumped as an officer and suffered 2 herniated discs, permanent migraines, and I ended up getting vertigo and Meniere syndrome. The Meniere syndrome is what caused my hearing loss. I hear literally nothing out of this ear. This ear here, as you can see, I'm not slamming it. I can actually hear out of. So the downside is getting used to hearing out of one ear and not knowing if you'll ever get your hearing back. And part of me feels a little off and a little depressed about not hearing out of stuff. Can you get a? Oh, I'm sitting here reading stuff. So a lot of times I don't. I'm always scared that I won't be able to hear again, and I've taken it upon myself to do a few things about it. I've been looking into things. I tested out my Oculus one time, and it doesn't use a regular headset. It has sound that vibrates in your head, kind of like bone conduction. It's not actually using bone conduction, but similar to bone conduction. And I heard twitches of something, and I wasn't sure I was hearing something. It felt like I was hearing something, but I couldn't tell. So I ended up doing some research into the cochlear implant and how it works and what it does for people with hearing issues and hearing loss. So I came across this. Oh, wrong thing. Came across this, ladies and gentlemen, a bone conduction headset. Now, as you see, this one is not one of the expensive Bluetooth wireless ones. It's a very, very inexpensive bone conduction headset that works off of the open ear sport headset type thing. It even has a noise reduction microphone, which I won't be using the microphone. Okay. So I decided to go ahead and take the part of the $150 that my friend paid me to watch the Batman, and I ordered this headset, which it came in yesterday, which I have right here. So we're gonna do a review on this. We're gonna go ahead and turn the camera down so you can see me open this up. But welcome in, Nems, welcome in. So here it is right here. Let me turn this right back up. It is the Ellie Sounds Sport open ear bone conduction headset. Okay, so if anybody wants to get it, it's $24 on Amazon.com. It's not that expensive. They do come in different packages or different colors. Okay, I've got the standard black one. It does have the 3.5 plug. Okay, it does have the clip, the neck band. It's lightweight. So yeah, it's really, really good. Thanks, fella. I've been stuck in some pretty intense hunt games. Hey, it's all good. Better late than never, Nems. Better late than never. So give me a moment to open this up. I am going to be using an old-fashioned knife. Standard little pocket knife. This one here belonged to my grandfather, who had it when he was 16 years old. So it was passed off to me. So that's how old this pocket knife is. And I need to make sure I turn those triggers off when I'm doing this. So I got a lot of work to do on future review streams, everybody. I got a future a lot of things to fix. I got to figure out how to open this up. There we go at the bottom. Hang on one second, everyone. No offense, John Blitz. I'm gonna have to turn the alerts, sounds and stuff off for a little while because it's slightly distracting with my with what I'm trying to do with the stream. I will turn them back on once the review is over. And I know you like the sounds and stuff like that, John, but I have to turn them off for that purpose. Yeah, you kind of did scare me, and when I'm doing this reviews, I don't need to be scared. So here we go. I don't know why they sent this to me, but they sent, as you see right here, they send these little foam, squishy foam earplug things. I don't know why I need earplugs. I'll read the reviews as to why I need this. Maybe to block sounds from the ear and only have sounds coming from how the headphones work. I'll figure this out in a minute because there's pretty much no instructions to this thing. So I'm gonna turn my headset off for a second, guys, and take this off. I imagine to bypass ear damage, and that's what I'm thinking too. That's what I'm thinking too, Vance Burton. That's what I'm thinking too. So as you see, guys, I'm disconnecting the headset. So I have no sound right now to drown out all ear sounds. See, so general consensus between Nems and Vance Burton, I think pretty much that's what it's for. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you. I'm going to set those headsets to the side here, guys. And we're going to get this all fixed up. And we're going to test it out and see how it goes. If I can undo these twisty tie thingies here. Okay, so now we're going to connect this in. Figure out how this all works together. Okay, so now I have them on, as y'all can see, with my, I need to trim up my sideburns, but they're right here. They're not in the ear, they're not over the ear. They go right just in front of the ear. So they're bypassing the ear altogether. So y'all can now see my two-hole earring. So just so y'all know, I have two piercings. It's just one hoop going through a piercing. But nonetheless, here they are right here. I'm going to play some music and see if it does anything. So give me a second here to see what I can hear and how I can hear and how much I have to turn things up. Does it have a... It doesn't have a... It has a mute button, but it has no volume button on there. Okay, so I got music playing, but I don't hear anything. Wait. Maybe. I don't know. I need to find... Ho. I'm not sure. Let me find something that I can hear, because the Spotify player keeps crashing on me, so I don't know if music's playing or not. I don't know if I'm hearing anything, because I don't hear nothing on this side either. Let me find some music. Let's find some synthwave 80s music real quick and see if I can hear anything. Okay, it shows it's playing music, but I'm not sure if I hear anything. It's not loud. There's just some way I can make this louder. If I hold on, guys, hold on. Bear with me. Bear with me. It's working. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Bear with me for a second. Oh my God. I need some tissues. I'm sorry for crying, guys. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about this. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. I can actually hear music in my left ear. Or, well, I can't say it's in my left ear, but I can. Oh. Oh. I can actually hear on my left side again. Yeah. I wish y'all could understand. Oh my God. I wish there was some, like, it's not super loud. Like right now it's not loud at all, but if I put my hands over my ears like this, I can actually hear it louder. I can actually hear out of my left side again. Oh my God. I need to find a way to make this louder, to amplify the sounds that are going into my head right now, guys, but you're right, Bowie. You're right. Hang on, guys. Where did I do those earbuds at? I don't know what I did with them. Hang on, my hands are shaking right now, guys. My hands are really shaking right now. Oh. Yeah, that's what the earplugs are for. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's definitely a lot louder now. Definitely a lot louder now. Oh my God. It can be a little bit more louder. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. It's a whole lot better than what I've been hearing for a whole year. For a year, I've not been able to hear from this side at all. I've only ever heard mono. And right now, for the first time in a year, I'm hearing... Got something in my tongue. I'm actually hearing from both sides of my head. This is like, wow. I know that y'all can't hear it right now. Hang on, let me see if I can make it to where y'all can hear this. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm sitting here crying up a storm, guys, and I apologize for crying, but oh my God. Oh my God. So yeah, let me stop this music. These headphones work. I've got to do something about these, having to put these earphones in. I don't probably need these. I'm putting it in just because it feels weird to not have, like, having a plug in one ear and no plug in the other. But yeah, with the plugs in my ear, I can actually, like, hear. And this is like really, really, really nice. It's really nice. So anyway, to get back on track, let's go ahead and switch back to that there. We're off the review thing. So I'm gonna make the reviews better. This is the first review. I've got some things to fix about it. It has been created. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here. Thank you for helping me with my first ever reactive review stream. I greatly appreciate you guys being here. I will make it a better stream now that I know what bugs I need to work out in my stream. So thank you for my review. I'm sorry that I busted out in tears with actually hearing for the first time. And thank you for being here for that, for me actually getting to hear out of my left ear after a year of not hearing anything. I will be back tomorrow. I'm finally going to be on a horror stream tomorrow, guys. I will have a game for you. It's finally downloaded. It's finally installed. I've got a great horror game. So I love you all. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for the support, for the subs, the entertainment, the response, the chat, everything. You guys make my dream come true every single time I stream. So I love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. I will see you guys tomorrow. Let's go ahead and raid this person.